the first in my family to earn a college degree, let alone a master's degree, and then striving to earn a doctoral degree, there are a lot of times in my life where I'm like, do I belong here?
I want to develop myself more as a professional.
The Grad Academy supports the professional and career development of graduate students. We also help prepare undergraduate students for graduate school through free programs, badges, certifications, workshops, and events covering topics like salary negotiation, leadership, financial literacy, public speaking, research development, and much more. Our goal is to help students develop competencies that encourage academic, career, and life success.
That's the value of the Grad Academy, is that they offer so many different types of programs, events, and workshops that you can take and apply it on your CV, and you can apply it to your end goal or your project or where you're going professionally.
Everyone should be looking to do something like the Rebel Grad Slam. Besides the chance to compete for the monetary incentive of a scholarship, it's a great opportunity to improve upon your skill set.
So being in that workshop actually did give me the confidence to ask for a raise in my position, and I did.
With every new skill I develop and every new connection I make in these programs, I feel a little bit more like I belong, and I feel a little bit more like I can do this.
I was able to, make connections and have been able to kind of form personal relationships.
For new students coming in and a graduate school at UNLV and they want a well-rounded experience, get involved with the Grad Academy.
So what do you say, Grad Rebel? Are you ready to launch?